Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'll show you what to do if your OBS is lagging, recording poorly, or has artifacts in the recordings, and so on. First, you can go into the program's settings and check the process priority. The process priority must be set to high, otherwise your system simply won't allocate enough resources to your OBS. Also, if you're using a high-end renderer with DirectX 12, switch it down to DirectX 11. This reduces the load and doesn't really affect quality much at all. Moving on, you can set up your video settings just like mine. Now, if it's about recording lag, you need to check the output settings and look there. In general, set the bitrate as high as possible. But keep in mind that during streaming it will say you're overloaded. The bitrate is overloaded. Yeah, right here. Damn it. There. Moving on. Encoder preset. Here you choose the quality presets for your output. P5 is good, that's good quality. And the encoder depends on your graphics card. There's an NVIDIA encoder here that works absolutely great. I haven't seen better encoders. They barely load the system and produce pretty decent quality output. So that's basically everything here. Alright, that's it. See you all later.